We don't have to tear down the system, but we do have to do what the American people want. And the American people understand today that the current healthcare system is not only cruel, it is dysfunctional.
We believe as a company that all Americans should have access to affordable, high-quality care. We think the best way to do that is to embrace and further expand choice. And we think the best way to do that is to embrace and further expand public-private partnership, which means the private system working with the government to drive constructive innovation around that. We don't believe a one-size-fits-all financing program like Medicare-for-all is the solution, especially when you consider the massive, wonderful diversity of the U.S. population, and importantly, the amazing diversity around how care is actually delivered and care norms that exist across the United States. So, yes, we agree that affordable healthcare is critical, choice is mission critical, and expanding what is working in the United States and building on what's working and then driving further innovation, we think that's the important part of the solution set. We're trying to connect what we call the whole person health, the mind and body, because the psychological and psychosocial needs are connected to the physical needs, but all too often healthcare systems around the world are disconnecting those. We're seeking to connect them. I was with one of our larger physician groups last month down in the Southwest, and the physician leaders concluded that the #1 need they had for their patients was more mental health resources, yet there wasn't enough mental health resources available in their community. So what they were looking for from us were training tools and resources to help their medical professionals, physicians and nurses become first lines of defense, as they put it, or capable of dealing with base mental health management around stress, depression, loneliness, etc. We think that's great. We think it's great because the aperture is beginning to open and the definition of what is mind and body is starting to open. The power of the micro-community, or the benefit of the micro-community, is you come in support of someone and you help to support them both mentally as well as physically in terms of achieving the goal. And then to the participants in the micro-community, there's a really positive reinforcement mechanism in terms of you set a goal even higher. Most things are possible. The power of the human spirit and will through that lens. So it's a rather powerful system if you could unlock it.